Getting into the details of the design is very exciting but also very challenging. Picking up colors, exterior materials, thinking about the exterior appearance and the building volume are all part of the third phase of an architectural design, which we call design development. Hi guys, Aline here from Sources Design, and on this channel we talk about architecture, interior design, construction, home renovation. So if that interests you, please consider subscribing. This video is part 3 of a series of videos called House Design for Dummies. And on this series, I'm sharing with you a typical design process that usually begins with beautiful inspirational photos and ends with a full set of construction drawings. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2 of this series, please make sure to check it out, and I will link both on the description below. Now let's talk about design development. On this phase of the design, we usually take the very conceptual floor plan approved by the clients one step further, and we start working on 3D modeling, and we start thinking about color, exterior appearance, materials, and volumetry. Some project components are also looked in detail, for example, furniture, equipment, lighting, plumbing, mechanical. It is also during this phase that we start working on building cross-sections and exterior and interior elevations. We start paying more attention to ceiling heights, which will affect not only the exterior appearance of a building, but will also have an effect on how we feel when we are in this space. As we spend more time working on design development, some important issues will come to light, which will affect constructability and also budget. It is usually during this phase that we get a more detailed pricing, which will affect how we move the project forward. In some cases, we need to change the design, the program, some of the materials, or increase the budget. By the end of the design development phase, the drawings, specifications, and budget are sufficiently complete, and we can then move on to the next phase of the design, which is construction documentation. And that's when we are going to have complete set of construction drawings that will be used on site to build your dream home. Hey guys, I hope you like my content, and if you do, please consider subscribing, like this video, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!